Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel, and if you guys are new to my channel then welcome. So this is the fifth look I have created today for my Navratri makeup series. It's a nice matte blue eye makeup look. सिर्फ मैंने inner corner पे थोड़ा सा glitter लगाया है. आप चाहते हैं तो आप ये जो step है skip कर सकते हैं. तो आज मुंबई में पता नहीं क्यों किसी तो भी रीज़न के वजह से बहुत पावर कट हो रहा था. बार बार लाइट जा रही थी, लाइक जा रही थी, आ रही थी, एंड बीच में तो काफ़ी घंटे के लिए लाइट थी भी नहीं. और जब मैं शूट करने के लिए बैठी तभी लाइट थी, एंड जब मैं ब्रॉन्ज़र अप्लाई कर रही थी उसके बीच में ही लाइट चली गई, एंड देन इट केम बैक आफ्टर 2 hours. आई एम लविंग दिस आई मेकअप लुक. मैंने आई डोंट थिंक सो कभी भी अपने चैनल पर ऐसा matte blue eye makeup look kiya hai, and it's such a stunning look I feel. So yeah, then without further ado, let's jump right into the tutorial. So I'm going to start with my eye makeup today, and I'm going to first prime my lids with my concealer. This is Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer. And हाँ, मैंने यहाँ पे ना ये स्कॉच टेप स्टिक किया है because I want that sharp edge. And now I'm going to set this concealer with my Cover FX powder. एक fly घूम रहा है तो please ignore करना. So for my eyeshadow today, I'm using COLOURPOP's Mar eyeshadow palette, and it looks like this. So first I'm going to go in with this brown eyeshadow, which is this. It's a light brown color. So this is going to be like a base shade, so our blue eyeshadow blends really nicely. And now I'm going to take this blue eyeshadow. I'm going to apply it all over my lid. So let's start with our base makeup. So first I'm going to prime my skin, and today I'm using BECCA's Backlight priming filter. Now let's apply foundation, and today I'm using my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear Foundation. So I'm done applying my foundation, and now let's apply concealer, and today I'm using Tarte's Shape Tape Concealer in the shade 34S Medium Sand. Now let's set this concealer with Cover FX translucent powder. And I'm going to set the rest of my face with NYX Hydra Touch Powder Foundation in the shade Golden. So for my bronzer today, I'm using Benefit's HOOLA bronzer. Now what do I do? तो फाइनली 2 घंटे के बाद लाइट आ चुकी है गाइस। मैं जब ब्रॉन्जर अप्लाई कर रही थी तभी लाइट चली गई थी, तो लकीली भी आ गई है लाइट। मैंने हल्का सा अपना कंसीलर टचअप किया बिकॉज ये जो आई शेड थोड़ा सा एकदम हल्का सा फॉल आउट हुआ था, तो उससे मैंने टचअप किया। एंड नाउ लेट्स क्विकली अप्लाई ब्लश, हाईलाइटर एंड जस्ट फिनिश रेस्ट ऑफ द मेकअप। Okay, so from my Tarte's Blush Bazaar palette, I'm applying this blush called Fortunate. And for my highlighter, I'm applying MAC's Oh Darling highlighter. So back to eye makeup. For my eyeliner, I'm applying MILANI's Stay Put Matte Liquid Eyeliner in the shade Midnight Matte. And on my waterline, I'm applying NYX Slide On Eye Pencil in the shade Sunrise Blue. It's a really pretty blue eyeliner. So I'm going to coat my upper lashes with KIKO's Extra Sculpt mascara. And I'm going to coat my lower lashes with Benefit's Roller Lash Mascara. So on the inner corner of my eye, I'm going to apply Urban Decay's Heavy Metal Glitter Eyeliner in the shade Distortion. So for my lip color today, I'm just applying a lip liner. So basically, I'm just defining and filling in my lips with a lip liner. I'm using BAC's Barely Brown Lip Pencil today. And now I'm going to apply JOUER's lip topper in the shade Skinny Dip. And last but not least, I'm going to set my makeup with MAC's Prep Plus Prime Fix Plus Matte. So this makeup tutorial comes to an end, guys, and I really hope that you liked this makeup look. And if you did, then do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. And also please hit on that bell icon so you don't miss out on future uploads. And I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion.